Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to uncover how to use search functions in Clickup, your 2025 complete guide. Let's dive in. Firstly, locate the search bar at the top of your Clickup workspace. It's that magnifying glass icon. This is where we'll be inputting our search queries. The reason we do this is to quickly find the tasks or documents we need. Now that we've found our search bar, let's explore how to use keywords to narrow down our search. Type your keyword into the search bar and press enter. Be as specific as you can to filter out irrelevant results. You'll see a list of tasks, documents, or comments that contain your keyword. This helps us because it saves time scanning through countless tasks and documents. Next, let's discuss advanced search functionality. Click on the Advanced button right next to the search bar. Here, you can filter your search based on assignee, due date, tags, or even custom field data. This is particularly useful when you're looking for something specific within a sea of tasks. Finally, Clickup allows you to save your frequent searches. Just click on the Save Search button after you've entered your search parameters. You can then access these saved searches from the drop-down menu in the search bar. This is beneficial because it saves you the hassle of inputting the same search parameters over and over again. Now let me explain why this matters. With the fast-paced nature of today's working environment, being able to quickly find and organize your tasks is crucial. And that's exactly what Clickup's search functions allow you to do. Manage your tasks efficiently and effectively. In conclusion, the search functions in Clickup are more than just a simple search bar. They're a powerful tool for managing and navigating your tasks, saving you time, and making your workflow smoother. Remember, effective searching is all about knowing what to look for and using the right tools to find it. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and happy searching in Clickup.